Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change theme on Audible. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change theme on Audible. Maybe you're a person who prefers to use Audible in the daytime mostly, so you want a lighter theme so that it feels good when you're using it. Or maybe you're a person who uses the Audible mostly at nighttime, so you want that dim theme so that it doesn't irritate your eyes, or it could be any other reason for you to choose any one of the themes on Audible. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Audible app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Audible app to open it. Once the app gets open, first you will see buffering, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First we have the title, or you could say logo of the Audible, and we have another search option at the top. Other than that, on the home page you will see a lot of content like post, audiobooks or podcast, and at the bottom you will see four options. Right now we're in the home section, and if we go to library we'll find other stuff as well as in the discover section and in the profile section. As you can see, the current theme that is selected is dark theme and the screen is dark, and now we will see how we can make into a lighter one. If we have a lighter one, then we will see how we can make into a dark one. Therefore we have to go to our profile, and once it load you will see this interface. You will find some of your personal information and other options as well. Now what we have to do here is that we have to click onto this settings icon, this one which is on the top. You just have to simply tap onto that option, and then you will land into the settings. You could also read it through its title, and you will find bunch of options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options, we have this option which says theme, this one. We just have to simply tap onto that option, and then we will get into it. So here we have two options, but two options will be enabled if we disable this first option. Right now the theme that is selected, or you could see the option, is the default option of the mobile. So whatever your mobile phone has selected theme, this one also has selected that one. So if you want to change it, first you have to disable to this option, and then these options will be enabled. So here we have two options. Right now that the dark theme has been enabled, but once you tap onto light one, you will get the light theme. So if you think that this one is good for you, then you can keep it, but if you want to again go with that, you just have to tap onto that other option, and that other option will be selected. So here I would suggest you that if you're a person who uses mostly mobiles on daytime, then you would go with the light theme so that it will be easily for you to see your mobile phone in the daytime. But if you use this mobile in the night time or bedtime, then you have to go with the dark theme, because it will not irritate your eyes. Otherwise it's all your option. You could either use two these option, or you can go with the default option of your mobile phone. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the theme on Audible. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.